video. Today we're going to be playing some Ark Survival Evolved. Yeah, so I guess we're just going to design I'm still going to do easy. It's a little bitch, but yeah, we're going to make this easy. Hair color, my hair color is just black, so that's good. Eye color, mine is brown. That's as good as we're going to get. Upper face size. We're gonna want our upper face size to do this. Lower face size, we want big muscular Russian man. And then for neck size, and for chest, we just want this. Shoulders, this. Okay, we don't want shoulders. Yeah, that is. This man is a mistake from God. You should be scared if you manage to stumble across this absolute beast. Man. Alright, now we're gonna make him a little bit. Alright. Big muscular babushka. No, big muscular hunk. Oh yeah, you're so hot. If any lady sees this man, I'm pretty sure they instantly want to date him. I mean, come on. Oh, fuck yeah, I'm done.
The one I've been.
No! Oh, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I forgot. God damn, dude, I hate those words. I gotta get out. Fucking spot. I do not want to be one. Get out of this fucking place. Come on. Alright, we need to get out. Yeah, we're just gonna take some stuff. Oh, I want to see if my controller's working now. I'm gonna be AFK for a minute. So, oh, there we go. That's perfect. Alright, so guys. Alright guys, so pretty much for this video, we're going to be building a house and getting some weapons. We're really going to be focusing on building a house and maybe taming a dodo bird. I really want to tame a dodo bird. I love dodo birds. I'm not really great at this game. But again, this is not like, oh, I never mentioned this. But this isn't like a PvP server. Like, I'm not playing with anybody. I'm playing in a single player island. So yeah. I'm gonna be, yeah, so again, for this episode, oh wait, I gotta upgrade now. Okay, I don't really want to craft a campfire, because, you know, I have to. I'm really worried about the sleeping bag, but again, I have to wait, so. Just collecting as much materials as I possibly can while walking through this, so I can tame an animal. My goal has always been to tame those, and one time I finally managed to knock this asshole out. Finally managed to knock this dickhead out, right? After like dying 80 times to it. I finally knock it out. And then you know what happens? I died when it got knocked out. So then I respawn and run to it. On the screen it says it died. And I go over there and get killed by a bunch of raptors. So yeah. Yeah, it got killed by a bunch of. Oh, yeah, look at these things. These are things you want to avoid. And there's 2 of them! Damn! Bitch, get away from me! Bitch! sweet. They're really nice. I just saw something. No! 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 Fucking stay away from me. Shit. Fucking stay away from me, dick. Don't fucking do that. Oh, it's okay, bud. It's okay. Oh, fuck! I didn't get to name it. It's okay. Alright, I'm actually thinking this might be a good starter area. Oh, wait, okay, I can find out. Okay, thank God I can level up. Oh, wait, no, I might not. I'm gonna upgrade my weight. I have 10 points. I definitely want a spear. I'm gonna need that. I need a spear. Cloth. Shirt. There we go. Yeah, I need to be careful because this island is proof that there's deadly things in it. That way I'm right by an ocean, so whenever I'm building, I can probably do this. Well, I'm gonna get some materials, and I'm probably gonna speed this up. So yeah, let's go. Alright, we're just gonna hope this one's a. We're just gonna hope this one's a freaking. Oh, we're just gonna hope that they're both gross. You're the person. Shit, I hate you. Come on. I was trying to tame this thing, but I don't know how to tame it. So that sucks. Alright, I guess this is time to get it in the water. No. Actually. Some of that. Alright, now we're gonna speed this up again, guys. Sorry. What?
You forgot this.
I know.
Have to give her to her? That's fine.
Yeah. You're fine. Only because I can't hear you or anything.
the mouthpieces looking like they're actually attached to the face mask. And as of right now, they only have one that actually aims. And it's going to be called Most Fear 24 mouthpiece. So I'm going to have that one.
That's all I asked
have a white one at the moment, but it's all good. I'm coming out of New Jersey. I'm going to have a city on because we're playing Michigan. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to be cold out there. As you saw in the intro, we had some snow out there while we were working out. This boy London Bridges, along with Marvin Harrison Jr. and Buko, we've been doing our thing all season long, and it is not going to stop now. But just look at all these different accessories you can do. Absolutely insane. And we're ready to get this thing started right here, right now. Let's go!
Damn, I'm dead, you piece of fucking shit. Asshole. Arch, can you please go to the other room? No. Fuck. My babies are still okay. Tina! We lost Tina. Wait, Tina, you're still alive? God. Alright, there we go. Finally move freely. You bitch.
before he even got here. He got pissed because he came right after work. And then mom was just phone up every night. And I can't remember their phone in the last before. Nobody in here. You always gotta jump up and help everybody. You always gotta do the first run of placement. You do nothing for me. But mom almost lost. She was like trying not to cry. I'm like, no. Yeah, I was like, and I said, like, what's your problem? Yeah, so cool. No, she's like, oh, I do everything. Yeah, so the one thing I need, can't do. Yeah, the she's not. She's like, get a job and pay the mortgage for 2 years. I'm like, are you serious right now? Well, I told my mom about that. I guess it makes you sad that you feel like something. Yeah. That's sad. My brother, so much was better than that. I know, I wish that we were at all. Well, that pisses me off. Why is he working? Like, you're supposed to just live your life and be this person. That's all. Like, you guys, I tell her, I look at the picture, those Bibles have been so rewritten to fit the male narrative and women to serve and to be like a sex slave type of thing. Like the homosexual thing. You know, the original version is looking the same in a homosexual pedophile. But that's who changed that. The Catholic Church. Oh, I've looked into it. I've read about it. I mean, because I just like to find like accuracy to it. That wasn't even because they didn't know what the word meant. They had some German translators who made it over from the country. No, it's pedophiles. And they've made it so that, yeah, it's pedophiles. Like, what is that called? People, I mean, you have them now. What if you say I'm televangelists that I'm trying to drive the money back to them? What's that? They are. They run half the shit, like the government, like, God. Yeah, it's the church. And then there was that worker that had.
This video has been 36 freaking minutes, dude. Damn.
Like,
yeah.
And she'll say, like, oh, I know these males usually. So it's there. And you were brainwashed. That's all it is. You didn't fail. You just get mad because you have life of our own and not fall into the shit. Sorry. Not sorry. But I was saying, like, the one day we were talking about looking out that stuff on the guy. And she's like, oh, well, I'm sorry. And I'm just thinking, I'm like, and that's what I was thinking. I'm like, I'm not going to think it. But that's not true. Because you like yourself to the one person that you're rid of. Like, that's on you. I don't know. But that's not fair. The man who really loves you. Because, you know, of course, I'm getting all this breakup shit on TikTok. It's like, it's so like that out there. I'm pretty sure like, but I'm getting a lot of them that are like, yeah, if they're not willing to, and it's dying No, there are good guys. They want to see them, and they will see them. They'll know, like right away. Like, oh my god. So it's like, no, there are people out there like that. And it's just what you put out. Like if you put out that you're confident and you're comfortable in your own skin and kind, you're trapped.
Probably a properly cooked meal after all that shit.
They said you're gonna get the asshole. He said, no, we're gonna walk on the tree. And I'm not doing that. We're gonna get like it might take a while. But I also know that I'm not going to. Like I feel like, well, and then what's the other? And I'm not pretty sure. Look at all that money. Look at where these are guys that are willing to do anything for their. Like I see, yeah. Oh my God, that's yes, she was. I mean, you love her. And she has one of these guys. Now, it's not too much guys. We're not like, I've never told her before, but she's like, yeah, she's one of these things. Yeah, she's like, I was actually dating guys for years with my mom, and I got to kind of like, well, she's like, she's like, because that's how we met. And she's like, you know, of course, you know, like, she's like, so I went at it. She's like, and I got her in the alcohol, and like, she's not really up there, she's like, hi. She said, it was well there, but you know, the face up there, because when I was calling on him, he answered. She's like, I was so confused, I think what's going on. She's like, when we talked to like a week ago, I didn't know that. But I told my friend, like, they were together a lot. Yeah, she gets married. But, also, here we go. She said, no, she doesn't have to. She said, I never knew. Well, yeah, I think it's actually so when they got married, he got this.
Alright guys, today was a long video. I got 40 minutes worth of footage. It's probably mostly going to get deleted. So yeah, today was good. I got most of my house started, but I think I'm going to do another part tomorrow. Because tonight, I just need to relax. But I'm going to upgrade really quick. Oh yeah, also the bed's going to help me so I can spawn here and it goes again. I'm going to use this as fertilizer. It's actually really good. Fertilizer. So yeah, when I want to grow plants. And I can finally level up. I think I'm going to upgrade my melee damage. What am I going to buy? I don't know. I want to buy something fun. Wooden club? Yeah, I want to get the bow. I really need to get a tranquilizer because I want to tame bigger animals. That's going to be my goal for the next video, is to upgrade my house and tame a couple more dodo birds. If I can find them. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here tonight, guys. Let's get some rest. Alright, bye. This is 42 minutes worth of footage, so yeah, bye. Hey guys, just a quick warning after the video. Yeah, you're not gonna like me for this, but I kind of just stopped editing. That's why you don't see a lot of shit. Because, you know, freaking, this is like 49 minutes long. So, I just kind of gave up editing. So I'm really sorry for putting low effort into this video. I promise the video that's coming tomorrow is going to have way better effort. And by the way, if you guys don't get what the thumbnail is, the little periodic table symbols are supposed to represent the Breaking Bad thing. So, yeah. All right. Well, love you guys. Have a good afternoon and a good night. Bye.